Knowing the type of Apple Watch you currently have is really useful and sometimes, to be honest, even crucial if you're selling the watch, for example. So here's how to see what Apple Watch you have. Let's get started. First of all, you might want to examine the watch from the outside. There are a few general cues to look for when looking at the watch. For example, the display size and bezels. In the earlier versions like the Series 0 all the way up to Series 3, the screen built in was just a square display with sharp edges and pretty big bezels. Then the bezels were gradually becoming thinner and curvier. Also, the Apple Watch Ultra is pretty distinctly looking too, so the huge, bulky size tells you about it right away. You can also check out the back side of the watch where you should be able to see the model written around the sensor. Obviously, if you're dealing with a used Apple Watch, it might scratched or not legible. But still, the best way to determine the model of your watch is by using its software, of course, assuming you can turn it on and use it normally. If you can, open up the watch and get inside the All Apps view and navigate towards the settings. The settings icon looks exactly the same as on the iPhone, so you'll be able to find it easily. Inside, head over to the General section and then open the About section, where you can see all the important information about your Apple Watch, including the serial number, model name, and other things. So that's basically it. I really do hope that you found this video helpful. I publish similar videos pretty often, so I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you never miss videos like these. Thank you for watching.